Have you ever looked at your favorite style icon and thought, how does she do it? Why do even the most basic of pieces look otherworldly on her, yet when I try to do it, it just feels like you missed the mark? I got you, girl. In today's video, I am sharing 10 simple style tips of Olivia Palermo, one of the most influential style icons of our time. The vast majority of women do not use these style hacks, so in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through them. Afterwards, you're gonna be able to go into your own closet and pull tons of looks to wow the masses the minute you step outside. My name is Shelli Pelly, and I am a lifelong style and beauty connoisseur. I have loved beauty and fashion my entire life, and along the way have helped countless women get the look they love with simple techniques they can apply to their existing wardrobe, just like Olivia. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're scrolling online, wistfully looking at hundreds of her killer outfits, trying to figure out how to get the look, but instead find yourself thinking, frankly, I don't even know where to start. While she flaunts statement pieces, Olivia knows the value of building on key wardrobe basics. Number one, the classic white shirt. Incorporating a classic white shirt into your wardrobe allows you to get that chic, on-the-go ensemble with little or no effort. Experiment and pair the shirt with bold bottoms, jackets, a print bag, a single bold piece of jewelry, or a simple pop of color. Olivia is as good as it gets when it comes to considering the best dressed women in the world. Her ability to mix and match prints, colors, and create unexpected pairings that are way ahead of the curve is absolutely unrivaled. She keeps her style classic but creative with the use of black booties. A chic black bootie is an all-purpose workhorse shoe that she wears across a variety of outfits, from casual all the way up to very dressy. The black bootie gives an extra style boost to a multitude of looks. Knowing that a pointed toe is visually lengthening and more flattering, she opts for a pointed versus a round. You'll note how adding a bootie to a dress or a skirt adds that wow factor without going overboard. Two of the biggest style mistakes that women make lie at opposite ends of the spectrum. One, overthinking it, resulting in it looking too contrived, too forced, not effortless. Number two, stopping short of adding that one extra element that makes all the difference. Olivia knows that one of the easiest ways to bump up the wow factor is to tie or drape a silk scarf around your neck. Here, she's bumped up that wow factor with the simple addition of a printed silk scarf. Even if she's wearing a plaid trouser, it works because the colors in the scarf reflect the colors in the plaid of her pant. She grounds the rest of the outfits with solids and her workhorse black bootie. The grunge look isn't exactly a style aesthetic that we would apply to Olivia. One of her secrets to blending cool and edgy with polished sophistication are leather bottoms. Pants, skirts, leggings, or shorts. To keep it sleek and polished, she just seeks to balance it with a more sophisticated top, sweater, a smart jacket, or coat. Olivia also is a model, but unlike many of today's fashion models, which you know, they're super tall, she's actually only 5'6", and yet she can seemingly wear very large, oversized, flowy ensembles that most women assume can only be worn by taller women. Why does it work? Well, style secret number 5, basic contrasting. When creating a combination, think of using contrasts. Try a short silhouette with a long silhouette, which is what I'm showing you right here. The long flowy skirt is balanced by a shorter jacket that hits her at the hip, while the black heeled bootie gives her just a little extra length. The result is an overall balanced look that suits her. More contrasting options, try fitted with wide, smooth fabric and textured, light color and dark to create a more visually interesting look. Olivia is known for taking risks with her fashion choices while still staying true to her own innate sense of authentic style. If you find yourself stuck in a style rut, and who among us has not been there, go into your closet and pull together pieces that you may not have worn together before. The easiest way is style secret number 6, a monochromatic outfit. Monochromatic combos are perfect not only for special occasions when you want to dress up, but also for every day. Quickly combine a bottom and a top of the same color for a chic monochromatic look. Remember, the colors do not need to match exactly. They just need to be in the same tone. Notice here she's wearing white with ivory, a gold clutch, and warm tonal sunglasses, and the look totally works for her. You've undoubtedly seen tons of images of her at fancy galas and premieres in breathtaking ensembles and sky-high ridiculous shoes. And while it's fun to look at the pictures and ogle, let's be honest, most of us don't have that lifestyle. But she looks just as chic dressed down as she does dressed up. Why? Style secret number 7, chic flats. Chic flats are not only stylish and elegant, but they're also practical for every day. Choose loafers, mules, espadrilles, ballet flats, and even men's style shoes are great. Start with basic colors like black and tan, then add in fun colors, embellishments, and prints to add star power to basic ensembles. Many times life is about shades of gray, right? Things aren't always so black and white, and yet sometimes they are. Style secret number 8, black and white. Black and white is an eternal classic style combination. The contrast of two crisp colors at opposite ends of the color spectrum is head-turning in the very best of ways, and it's so easy to emulate. Keep it classy with a nude lip or bump it up with a bright pink or your favorite red as a focal point. I'm showing you tons of different images of her here in the black and white ensembles, and look how beautiful and elegant it looks. It's just simple, classic, on-point dressing. This girl has mastered the art of striking that perfect balance of feminine and cool with classic modern looks. Nailing a killer everyday look can actually be a bit more difficult. We want comfort and effortless ease, but we want to stand out and look chic in a good way. Style secret number 9, a jacket, poncho, or cape. Adding a layering element in the form of outerwear is of course practical in terms of keeping you warm, but it's also a definitive style element. Wear a casual bomber jacket with a floaty day skirt or over a classic white blouse, fitted denim, and a simple ballet flat like she's doing here. Notice how she's mixed 3 different style secrets: the classic white blouse, contrasting of the fitted denim with the oversized shirt, and a chic flat. For summer and spring, a classic lightweight trench is a great summer staple to have in your closet. We've all heard the term the devil's in the details, and that can't be any more true than fashion. Imagine you're on a fabulous vacation, you're living it up at the Four Seasons, you get back from a luxurious dinner, open the doors to the suite, only to find the most amazing turn down service ever. Housekeeping has dimmed all the lights, there's spa music going through the suite, fresh baked cookies, hot tea, your spa robe, slippers. Are you with me? It's the details that make the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. Style secret number 10, statement accessories. Whether sunglasses, jewelry, a bag, a pair of shoes, she chooses one piece that adds that little extra something. Her first go-to tends to be sunglasses. They go a long way towards finishing a polished, pulled-together look. Her 3 other key go-tos: a piece of statement jewelry. She quite clearly favors a fabulous necklace to zhuzh up even very simple basic pieces, but choose what you personally love the most. Wow factor earrings, a chunky bracelet, gorgeously stacked rings, whatever it is that you love wearing the most, go for it. Number 2, a colorful bag. And number 3, she uses a lot of shoes in a print, a bright color, or something with embellishments in order to zhuzh up basic pieces. It's all about taking the inspiration and building on it to make it your own. But everything in this video will only have minimal impact unless you know a few basic style rules classy ladies follow. So go ahead and check out this video right here where I explain the 7 basic style rules that every classy lady, that's you, knows. And until a couple days from now, take care, y'all.